You know what? I'm probably not even halfway done with this scene. If anything, I'm exactly halfway through the scene right now. No other streamer is dumb enough to do this. You realize that? That's the one separation I think I have. The only person dumb enough to do this. For who? Not for thousands of people. Not for tens of thousands of people. Not even for hundreds of people. Not even for tens of people. For 2 people. 2 people and possibly a bot on my TikTok stream. That's what I'm doing this for.
Huh. Neat.
What? What do you got there? What is that?
I pushed over my damn PS3, man. Ah, shit. Oh my god, no. The disc ejected. Oh my god, all that effort for nothing. I wasted all that effort. The disc just ejected. Oh, fuck. Oh, man, that hurts. I got too crazy with it, and I pushed over the PS3 and the disc ejected. And there goes the background. There goes everything. It was the entire goddamn background. Lovely. Why is it growing? What's this growing thing? Why is it growing? 2 words, 4 words, 6 words, 8 words. 10 words, 12 words, 14 words, 16 words. This is a word. This is a shape. This is a series. Oh. Shh. Shh. A quiet word. This is a repeated sentence. The end.
All right.
The 4 of us all together will eventually be able to read this book and the words in it, because I'm currently struggling. I took off my sneezing jacket, but I'm still sneezing.
What? What do you got there? What is that?
It's a book.
Make him stop. Alan, we're not gonna cut ourselves. Give me the knife.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You all right? Are you okay?
Yep.
You need a doctor?
He's fine. He's good.
You sure?
I'm good. I'm
Alan,
good.
come here, buddy. Get in here, crazy. Through a night, the 4 of us will never forget.
I like to say something. What? It's... Sorry. Once we have this connection between friends, between comrades, there's only one feeling I can truly have, and it represents itself like this. Just the best type of feeling. I thought I took off my sneezing jacket, but I think I'm coming down with something. I'm coming down with a harsh... I don't know what to say. I don't. It's really just... I almost got you. I almost got you. But I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop just for the one time. I know you guys are kind of scared, kind of worried, but it's all right.
All right.
The 4 of us just had an hour and lost. Which one of you stole my legs? Which one of you? I'm not happy having
What do
this.
you got there? What is that?
I will chop off your legs if
Make him
needed.
stop. Alan, we're not gonna cut ourselves. Give me the knife. Slowly. Thank you. Okay. Thank you very
You
much.
all right? Are you okay?
I'm
You
okay.
need a doctor?
He's fine.
I got-
He's good.
You sure?
I got my legs
Alan,
back.
come here, buddy. Get in here, crazy. Through a night, the 4 of us will never forget.
Alright. Wait. Oh, wait. What? Now, sunu. This is what defeat and sadness looks like. Right behind your very eyes. This is what disappointment and suffering looks like in the visual form. I hope all of you are here to revel in it. Be excited about it. All hopes and dreams die. There is no good things left in life. It will all come crumbling down before your very eyes, and there's nothing you can do about it. Suffer now, so you can suffer later. Or don't,
All right.
and suffer more later. That's the only cure to everything. Your allocated amount of suffering. You can't escape it,
What is
so you might as well
that?
have it. Just have
Make
it.
him stop.
Alan, we're not gonna cut ourselves. Give me the knife. Slowly. Thank you. Okay. Thank you very
You
much.
all right? Are you okay?
No,
You need
fuck
a
you.
doctor?
He's fine. He's good.
You sure?
No.
Come here, buddy. Get in here, crazy. Through a night the four of us will never forget.
I hope we all die. I hope all of us die. Hey, chat, look. Here's my bundle of cables that every man has ever. See my bundle of cables and wires? Most of these are HDMI cables. I am never untangling these. Are you kidding me? That's blasphemy. Yeah, I got nothing for whiteface, man. Sorry. I wish I was as racist as you, Rem, but I got nothing. This thing smells. It reeks of my sweat. How long did I spend on this particular joke? How long? How much sweat did I sweat? How much time did I put in, man? I do this because it makes me happy, all right? To keep you happy, to keep you entertained. I'm so happy doing it. Spending all that time to do that. No other streamer can do what I do. Remember that. No one else can do what I do.
You